Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 11 revision homes of animals. So, as you know, house is a place where we live and we all have home or nice houses. Same way the animals do have their home. So let's see which animals live where. So, as a human being, we all have homes to live. Similarly, animals, whether they have wild or farm animals, does have their home and shelter. So now let's see which animals live where. So here we can see animals and their home. Our topic is animals and their home. So first, dog, D-O-G, dog. So here we can see the photograph of dog. So the dog is one of the most popular animals in the world, and you all know about dog and you all familiar with dog because dog is sometimes live with us. So animals, it was one of the first animal to be domesticated or trained for use by humans. So children, you all know about dog, and dog is domesticated animals or trained animal for us. And dog make great pets and are a man's best friend. So dogs are man's best friend. And you know that dogs are seen in different colors. So the dog is most popular animals. Dog have a four leg, two eye, two ears, and one tail. And dog is a great pet for man. And where dog lives? So dog lives in Canaan. So here we can see a photograph of Canaan and dog. So where dog lives? Dog lives in Canaan. Dog have four legs and make a bark, woof or off sound. And dogs often chase cats, and most dogs will fetch a ball or stick. So dogs can smell and hear better than humans, but cannot see well colors because they are color blind. So dogs are color blind, and dogs can smell and hear better than humans but cannot see colors. So dogs have four legs, two eyes, one tail, two ears, and dogs make a bark, woof or ark sound. So children, you all understand about dogs because dogs is a familiar animals and you all know about dogs. So children's dogs live in Canaan. So everyone understand about dog. Very good. So now we are going to learn our next slide and next animals, and it is a bird. So here we can see a photograph of flying bird. So birds have feathers, wings, and also birds have a beak and they lay eggs and are warm blooded. So, birds are warm blooded. Many birds, like a parrot and finches, live on seeds and fruits. So, birds eat seeds and fruits and sometimes insects. Some birds can eat insects. So, some birds mainly feed their young on insect. So, birds have a very lightweight but strong skeleton. Birds have a very lightweight but strong skeleton, and birds are ability to fly gives an edge over. So some birds have a small size birds, and some birds are big size birds, and some have uh, big feathers and big tail, and some birds have small feathers and small tail. So birds are uh, birds are a very lightweight but such a strong skeleton. So here we can see birds build their nest. So birds live in a nest. Here we can see a photograph of birds, young ones, and birds are also a social animals which participate in social behaviors. They are warm blooded animals that can lay eggs, and these eggs are usually laid in a nest and are incubated by a parent. So, most birds take care of their young for an extended length of time after hatching. So, birds have feathers and beak and with a no teeth. So, birds have a beak, no teeth, and birds live in a nest. So, children, you all are understand that birds live in a nest and they lay eggs, and also their young ones, and they are eat grains and fruits and sometimes insects. So, children, now we are going to learn our next animal, and it's a lion. So, here we can see a photograph of lion. So, lions are only cats that live in a group. So, lions are carnivorous animals. They eat flesh of other animals and also a strong animals. You know about lion because lions are strong animals and only cats that live in a group. So a group or a pride can be up to 30 lions depending on how much food and water is available. So, female lions are the main hunters while they are out looking for a food. The males guard the pride's territory and their young. So, lions are a very strong animal. So, where the lions live? So, lions live in a den. Here we can see a photograph of lion and den. So, lions live in a den. And lions are a large carnivorous mammals that belong to the family of felinae, and they have a tawny coat with a long tough tail. So here we can see a tawny coat, and nearly all white lions live in a sub-Saharan Africa, but one small population of Asiatic lions exist in India's Gir forest. So, the Asiatic lions and African lions are subspecies of the same species. So, lions live in a den, and lions are carnivorous animals because they eat a flesh of other animals, and they have a tawny coat with a long tough tail. Lion have a four leg and two ears, two eyes, and they live in a den. So, children, you all are understand about lion. So now we are going to learn a next slide and next animal, and it's a bee, honey bee. So here we can see a honey bee and their home. So honeybees are the small flying insect belonging to the category of Hymenoptera with a present in all around the world except Antarctica. So honeybees are a small flying insect belonging to category of Hymenopterae with a present with all around the world, and honeybees live in a hive. So here we can see a photograph of hives and honeybees. So honeybees give us a honey, and they are a small flying insect. So here we can see honeybees live in a hive. So honeybees are a super important pollinator for flowers, fruits and vegetables. These means that they help other plants to grow. Bees transfer pollen between the male and female parts, allowing plants to grow seeds and fruits. So, honeybee make honey and also help to other plants grow, and bees transfer pollen between the male and female parts. So honeybees are a super important insects, and they choose a juice of fruits and also live in a hive. So now you are learn about honeybees. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a cow. So here we can see a photograph of cow. So you all know about cow because cow is a familiar animal, and the cow is domestic animal which is considered useful to mankind. It is used to have livestock mainly for providing various dairy products like milk, ghee, and cheese. So cow is a domestic animal, and we all know about cow because cow have four legs, two eyes, two ears, one tail, and it is found in various colors, shapes, and size around the world. So, in India, the cow is regarded as a sacred animal and worshipped by the Hindus from ancient times, and it has two ears and eyes, each one big nose, two sharp horns, and long tail. and for land. So cow give us milk and other dairy products like ghee, cheese and other etc. So you all learn about cow. Now next, where is the cow live? So cow live in a shed. Here we can see a photograph of cow and shed. So cow live in a shed. It has a four legs, one tail and two ears. The milk of cow is used for a various purpose in our country. Apart from domestic use, the cow is reared in a cow farms to get milk. So the milk of cow is used in making ghee, dahi and other products of dairy use. So where is cow live? Cow live in a shed. So children, you all are understand about cow and where it lives. So now we are going to learn a hen. So here we can see a photograph of hen. So hens make singular chicken clucking sound of probably familiar with. So, as far as hands looks is often had reddish piece sticking up on the top of its head and that looks like a comb and its body is short and round. Hands' bodies are covered with feathers and they have wings that minorly stay tucked alongside their bodies. So hen give us eggs and where is hen live? Hen live in a coop. So here we can see a photograph of hen and coop. So chickens are omnivorous. Hens are omnivorous birds in the wild. They often scratch at the soil to search for seeds, insects, and even animals as large as lizards. So, hens are the omnivorous animal because they eat insects, grains and also the seeds. So sometimes they eat a large size lizards and some small snakes and young mice. So hens may live for a 5 to 10 years depending on the breed. So children's hens are omnivorous animals and they live in a coop. So children's you all are understand about hen. So now we are going to learn a next horse. HORSE horse. So here we can see a photograph of horse. So horses are four-legged animals and that have been around us human for a really long time. So you all understand or all you familiar with horse because horse have around 205 bones in their skeleton and horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years. So horses have a bigger eyes than the other mammals that live on land and because horses' eyes are on the side of their head, they are capable of seeing nearly 360 degrees at a one time. So horses are a fastest animal and horses are run very fast. They have four legs, two eyes, one tail and one nose. So horses are around 205 bones in their skeleton. So, children, you all understand about these slides. Now we are going to learn our next slides. So, where live horse? So, horse live in a stable. Here we can see a photograph of stable and horse. So, horses are live in a stable. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. So, horses can run shortly after birth. Domestic horses have a lifespan of around 25 years. So, horses are herbivorous animals. They eat grass and only plants. So, that's why horses are herbivorous animals. And horses have bigger eyes than any other mammals that live on land. So, horses have big eyes. So, children, you all are understand about horse. So, now we are going to learn our next rabbit. So, here we can see a photograph of rabbit. So, rabbit is a baby rabbit is called a kit and a female is called a doe. So, male is called a buck. So, rabbits are very social creatures that live in a group and they live in a warrens, a series of tunnel and rooms that they dig underground, and a rabbit's teeth never stop growing. Some rabbits or some peoples have rabbits as a pets. So rabbits are also raised for their meat, and rabbits are a different biological classification that here's. So rabbits are a very social creatures and live in a group. So where is a rabbit live? Rabbit live in a burrow. So here we can see a rabbits live in a burrow. So rabbits can be found in a many parts of the world. They live in a families and eat vegetables and hay. In the wild, rabbits live in a burrows that they dig themselves. A group of rabbits living together in a burrow is called a warren. So rabbits are famous for hopping and eating carrots. You all know that rabbits eat carrot. So, children, you all are understand about rabbit. Rabbit live in a burrow. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a spider. So here we can see a photograph of spider. Spiders are arthropods that have 8 legs. There are about 400 non-species of spider. Most spiders use a web to catch their prey, which is usually insect. The largest spider is Golid Taruta, and they can catch a bird. The smallest spider in the world is less than 1 mm long. So spiders live in a web. Here we can see a photograph of spider and web. So spider live in a web. In addition to eating insects such as ants, flies, mosquitoes and bees, some spiders will also eat very small animals like birds, frogs, lizards, and centipedes. So, many will also eat other spiders, but spiders can be picky eaters. So, here we can see a spiders is live in a web. So spiders are live in a web. Now next, snake. So here we can see a photograph of snake. So snake have an unique anatomy which allows them to swallow in the digest large prey. So snakes shed their skin number of time in a year. In a process that usually lasts few days, some species of snakes, such as cobras and black mambas, use venom to hunt and kill their prey. So snakes are uh, covered in a scales, and snake skin is smooth and dry. So snakes is unique anatomy which allow them to swallow and digest large prey. So here we can see snakes live in a hole. Snake live in a hole. Here we can see a hole, and a snake is live in a hole. So snakes are a carnivorous animals. They mean carnivorous animal because they eat other animals' prey or flesh. So snakes don't have eye, legs. Snakes can't bite food, so they have to swallow it whole. And snakes have flexible jaws which allow them to eat prey bigger than their head. So snakes are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. Snakes have international uh, snakes have internal ears but not external ones. Snakes is snakes charming performance respond to movement, not sound. So snakes looks movement, not sound. So children, you all understand about animals and their home. So now we are doing some exercise. You all are right with me. Here we can see some photographs and some birds, some animals and their homes. So bees live in a beehive. Next, cow live in a shed. A dog live in a cannon. Lion live in a den. And then spider live in a web. Then ant live in an anthill. Next, here also we can see some birds and animals photographs. So hen live in a coop, pig live in a pigsty, birds live in a nest. Then sheep live in a pen, mouse live in a hole. Then squirrel live in a tree hollow. Birds live in a nest, spider live in a web, horse live in a stable, and ant live in an anthill. Rabbit, here we can see a rabbit live in a burrow. Pig live in a pigsty. Honeybee live in a hive. Birds live in a nest. And then snake live in a hole. So children, you all are enjoying very good. You all hope you all are learn and enjoy this lecture. So I will see you next time, and also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.